AI is undoubtedly a remarkable creation, but it serves as a tool, not a master. Let us remember that if AI amazes us with its capabilities, the human mind behind its creation is even more extraordinary. And above all that, the creator who designed humanity is the source of all brilliance and innovation. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen. Honorable teachers, respected guests, and dear parents, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I stand before you to reflect on the profound verses in Surah Ar-Rahman. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان. صدق الله العظيم. The most merciful taught the Quran, created humanity, taught them speech. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us the last holy book. It is the complete code of life and truly the last miracle. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made us Ashraful Makhlukhat, the best of creations. As He also said, for we have certainly created man in the best of stature. Surah 94, verse number 4. This is a profound reminder of our position in the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and that we are the best creations. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said, Allamahul Bayan, taught them speech. This ability to think, articulate and create is what sets us apart as Allah's most honored creation. One of the most striking examples of human ingenuity is the development of artificial intelligence, also known as AI. Let us now explore what is AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are designed to think, learn, and perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. AI systems can analyze data, recognize patterns, make decisions, and even interact in ways that can mimic human behavior. In layman terms, AI is like a highly advanced student that learns from data, refines its understanding, and applies that knowledge to solve real-world problems. Let us now see how applications of AI are transforming our daily lives. The first example is of navigation. We use navigation apps such as Google Maps, but most of us don't know that Google Maps uses AI. For example, when we ask Google Maps to guide us to our destinations, it would find the best route for us, not any route, but the best route. In order to do that, the app requires a lot of data. For example, available routes, history of traffic conditions, and current data about the traffic situation. The app gathers all of that data through our mobile phones. The GPS in our mobile phones send back data about our speed and location. The AI then decides where vehicles are slowing down or stopping, indicating a potential traffic jam. The AI then makes the decision regarding which route will be the best for us. We can understand this example through the example of a man who tricked Google Maps. He walked on an empty street carrying 99 mobile phones in a small cart. The app showed heavy traffic jam on that street, but in reality, that street was empty. The AI received the signal that 99 cars are jam-packed in a small street. That's why this happened. The second example is of image search. Imagine you see a beautiful bird sitting on a tree, but you don't know what kind of bird it is. Simply capture a photo of that bird and ask AI, which kind of bird is this? AI will provide you with a wealth of information about it. To understand this example, let's break down the process. When you submit the bird photo to AI, the AI first analyzes the image, identifying key features like shape, color patterns, beak shape, etc. The AI then compares your key features of the photo to a vast database of images and information. And once AI determines the most likely bird species, it gives you the best result according to your photo. You can also use this app to search for equipment, about a medicine, or about a herb, or any flowers that you see in your garden or at a supermarket. But this is also very useful in boycotting products of Israel. Just capture a photo of that product and ask AI, where is this made? If the country of origin of that product is among those who support Israel, just don't buy that product. Third example is of hum to search. Imagine you remember the tune of a nasheed, but you can't remember but you can't remember the name of it. You can simply hum it into the YouTube app, and the app will find the best matching nasheed for you. To understand this, here's how it works in simple terms. When you hum, sing, or whistle, the app records your sound. It then focuses on the ups and downs of your voice, the melody, and creates kind of a shape of that melody. And then it searches your melody shape in its vast database of nasheeds, where there are millions and millions of nasheeds. Then it will give you the best matching result. The fourth example is of live translation. Imagine you buy a product, but you don't understand the language of the instructions written on the packaging. You can simply use an AI camera app to take the translation of that product. You don't even need to take the picture. The actual letters will be hovered by the translated letters on your screen. You can use these apps especially when traveling in countries where signboards are in a language that you don't understand. The fifth and the final example is of handwriting detection. If you ask someone for their phone number, they simply write it down on a piece of paper. But to easily enter that number into your phone, you can use AI-powered camera apps like Google Lens. The app will accurately convert handwritten numbers into digital text, even if the handwriting is imperfect. But however, AI can also make mistakes. These mistakes can occur during input analysis, data analysis, pattern matching, or in suggesting a response. In fact, AI can also make a unique type of error called hallucinations, which was previously unknown from machines. AI hallucinations are situations where AI confidently generates information, but that is not true, often displaying high degree of certainty even when the information is completely made up. Despite these challenges, AI remains a groundbreaking tool developed by the humanity, utilizing the vast amount of reservoir of information available on the internet. If AI is so astonishing, imagine the magnificence of its creator, the human mind, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created and endowed with the power of bayan. But beyond this, how truly glorious must be the creator of humanity who not only gifted us intelligence but also the ability to think and articulate. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said in the Quran, and He taught Adam the names of all things. Surah Baqarah, verse number 31. This verse highlights the divine gift of knowledge and creativity which we see reflected in advancements like artificial intelligence. For a final reflection, AI is undoubtedly a remarkable creation. but it serves as a tool, not a master. It is limited by the understanding and purpose of the user. In contrast, we, the human beings who design AI, are endowed with the wisdom, emotion, and soul, all gifts from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let us remember that if AI amazes us with its capabilities, the human mind behind its creation is even more extraordinary. And above all that, the creator who designed humanity is the source of all brilliance and innovation. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us to use our knowledge responsibly and wisely, always mindful of His blessings. Jazakallahu khairan wa ahsanal jaza. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.